this is Todd, and I want to talk to you today about our experience driving the Ring Road. The Ring Road is massive. It's something that theoretically could be done in 5 days or less, but you really want to have a lot more time. We spent about a week doing the Ring Road, and it was an aggressive trip, but we were able to do it in that time. I would driving in Iceland is fairly easy overall. At least for Americans, we're used to that side of the road. Some things you have to really keep into account is it's not as the crow flies. There's going to be a lot of switchback turns. There's a lot of back roads, especially as you get into northern Iceland. They have one-lane roads that you have to wait for the other cars to pass. So it does 4 hours of driving can seem like 6 hours of driving. So that's something to really be mindful of as you go. And in addition, as Kathy said, it's such a beautiful country. As such, you're going to want to stop and take a lot of photos and videos, and it really does slow the trip down. So I would suggest breaking up the route. So in the middle of the country, about the north part of Iceland, you should really maybe take a few days to not be driving. You don't want to be on the road all the time, and to really break up the trip. I think the ideal way to do it would be 10 days or even 2 weeks to do the Ring Road. We did the road clockwise, though you can do counterclockwise. The reason we did it clockwise is because the country actually gets more and more beautiful as you go around from the west side around to the north, and then the east and south, as you see various mountains and glaciers. So you really want to take your time with the Ring Road.